Yeah, hey everybody. So today we are going to really quickly take a quick evidential look at at using YouTube to build your business. So I'm going to share with you really quickly. I just took this screenshot really late last night. I've been posting a lot recently about using YouTube in a content marketing, uh, really strategic way that doesn't take any time, less than 20 minutes a day, if that. And that just yields tremendous results. So here I'm just going to show you, from a proof standpoint, this is the phrase, how do online business directories make money? You can really search any possible permutation of online business directories, search on YouTube or on just Google overall, and you'll find that my videos come up really, really, really highly. So, and this was just a random phrase. I didn't plan typing this one in. It was just a Google suggest. And if you look, the top one is a 2011 video. So that was, I don't know, what, 7 years ago, 6 years ago. I wasn't doing this in 2011. But everyone after that is me. This 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 is me. And I didn't even really go any deeper than that in the results to kind of see or stress test how many other occurrences I have in the top, X for which phrases. So this is not something that takes any time. Like I've done, I mean, this was a 12-minute, 51-second video. This was a 5-minute podcast. So I didn't even, that I uploaded to YouTube using anchor.fm, which is an awesome, audio recording tool for content marketers. And this actually, the way I use it, allows me to just record this in my phone and then convert it to a video and then post it to YouTube. I've done these, being out running in the park, playing tennis, playing basketball, out and about, no video camera necessary, no, I can look like shit. I don't need to, there's no tech stack required. And this yields real results. I mean, it took me 5 minutes and it's getting me traffic that is converting into clients, subscribers, readers, however you want to define success. These also, again, I mean, I'm not recording myself in a front facing studio way. I'm just doing screen shares. And individually, these videos, none of which are tremendously lucrative on their own, but in a cumulative or in aggregate, they are generating hundreds of subscribers to my list. I mean, to my business bottom line. And this is not even my primary business. Like I don't, I'm not teaching directory marketing in any real kind of structured way. It's just something that I build on the side, that is just generating clients for me. And any one of you who are doing this ought to be considering YouTube and this style approach, which is a education marketing 101 approach. I'm taking questions that people are asking. How do business directories make money? How to build a profitable web directory? How to make money from a web directory? And then occasionally I'll throw in the, clickbaity 12 easy ways to do X sort of thing. But this generates traffic every day by dint of folks who are clicking on the links in my description and then visiting a opt-in page and then signing up for more information from there. And again, I can't stress this enough. I'm a writer. I'm a marketer. I'm not a directory building guru. That's not what I'm trying to aspire to do. I just build communities. So as a sideline to that, to what I'm doing in the world, I'm kind of putting content out about how I do what I'm doing in the world. It's just really that easy. So for those of you who think that you need a big budget or you need a Facebook, ad campaign, which I do run. I mean, that's another piece of the puzzle. I mean, I've built, as I've said a couple times over the last week, our Facebook page for the Mindful Market. If you go on Facebook at the Mindful Market, you can see this. It's well north of 25,000 subscribers, or I'm sorry, followers on Facebook, again, by dint of using Facebook ads and by just linking to my Facebook page wherever I can, this business page. It's not mine. It's something I'm doing with other people, so it's ours. But that's our big project for the year, and that's really just to build a community of authors and teachers and courses and a community and a movement of mindful marketers and people who are interested in mindfulness as a life hack strategy for improving, wellness and personal satisfaction. I don't want to get into a sideline about that, but that's my primary interest, not directories. I mean, this is just happy accident that I'm documenting some of the things that I've done in the past. I own a bunch of directories, either with my own business or with others. And that's it. I mean, there's no other, kind of angle or, secret sauce to this. So again, I encourage you can verify this, type that in to Google and look. If you look at any of the themes, for an example, like Listing Pro, My Listing, all of those style themes, my videos are like the top ranked videos on YouTube for those themes. In general, I mean, there are a couple other people who are also ranking highly, including the theme makers themselves. But I mean, the My Listing reviews I've done have generated thousands of views and hundreds of clicks to my content. I mean, to my opt-in page, to my free courses, to my Facebook page. That, the Listing Pro, the same thing. Listify, the same thing. So again, I encourage you, if you really want to hack your way or growth hack your project and you want to start today with no money, this is the way to do it. Just start answering questions about your area, if you're doing a hyperlocal directory, or your niche, if you're building a niche directory, and just be consistent with it. None of these, like the one I'm doing right now, are great. None of these are pieces of art. I mean, none of these are highly produced or super smooth, presentations of any kind. They're just me babbling into my microphone with some supporting documentation. So anyway, I encourage you to try this. It really works. It's really easy. And when I work with clients, the first thing I tell them to do is do this. I was talking to a real estate agent the other day, and I gave him a very stepwise process map for doing exactly what I'm doing here, just in a little bit of a smoother and more elegant way, because he's dealing with a higher clientele, base than I am here with the online entrepreneurial space. All right, so I'm going to stop this video now. I hope this helps you, and I hope it gives you a little bit of extra motivation to just dive in and do something great and just start where you are without, the gimmicks, the gurus, the gadgets, or any of the goofiness that people want you to believe that you need to use to get ahead. All right. Thanks again. Have a great day.